Hello guys, Bodysuit here today, and I'm playing a game that is called White Noise online with some people that I found. So let's start this. This is like Slender Man if you don't know, guys. So yeah, we're gonna try and find all the tapes. Oh god, I don't like how scary it is. Yeah, I know. My friend said that when I was playing with him. Guys, I know where a tape is round here. Follow me. Guys, over here. Mate, behind you, mate. Mate, you're going the wrong way. Behind. Oh, right, then you're probably going to go alone then. Okay, I know where the tapes are, so might as well go. Takes like years to get there. That's because you're not supposed to be alone. Why the hell is that dead end? Right, we need to go this way. Sorry. Come on, mate. Mate, don't. I know where a tape is, so you might as well follow me. I just didn't know what way to go. Because as the road is like confusing. Oh, hello. How you doing? Mate, I know where to go. It's just I didn't know which way to go on the road because I couldn't see. When you cough, it means that you're running out of breath. Okay, guys, the tape is in here, in this house. Guys, I'll get it for you. Guys, stay away because you might get done in by the white guy. Yeah, that sounds a bit racist, but other than that. If there's not tape in here, oh my god, I don't get that. On solo, there is a tape. There is a tape in here. I don't get that. Right, okay. Don't ask me. I don't feel safe around here, just saying. Yeah, I can see that happening. Yeah. Yeah. Isn't there a tape in one of the dragon's mouths? I'm sure. Yeah, like you hear it. Damn it, I can't see him. I want to see him. Oh god, mate, wait up. Alright, wait up. Ah! Oh crap. Ah! Oh god, he's right there. Mate, help. Don't leave me. Help. Oh, thank god. Mate, please. I don't like it. I'm right where the, oh, please don't leave me. Mate, stay where you are at the graveyard. I'm going to the graveyard. Oh, there you are. Thank God. Good point. I called it the weed statue. Oh, I thought weed was green. Oh. Last time I checked, weed's green though, because it's a plant. Okay, I'm gonna go get some red weed. Yeah. Sec. Oh crap, the right rapist.